Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Hey, if you follow my channel, you know I love doing guitar tutorials and covers from the 60s, the 70s, and the 80s. Today we've got a great classic pop song from the late 1960s called Sugar Sugar. It was written by Jeff Barry and Andy Kim, but made famous by the virtual band Thearchies. This song peaked at #1 on the Billboard Hot 100 in September of 1969, and it's super easy to play. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great pop song from the 1960s. Okay, to get through this song, you need to know 3 chords, and they're all very, very easy. Let's have a closer look now. First chord is a D. You need to know a G major. And you need to know an A major. That's it. Those 3 chords are going to get you through this entire song. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, so this pop song from the 60s has quite a quick tempo to it. But the good news is that the chord changes don't come at you all that fast. So it's really, really easy to play. Let's look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Starts on the D chord. Here we go. To the G major, back to the D chord, and then to the G major again. D chord, G major, A major, back to the D chord. Sugar, honey, honey, you are my candy girl, got me wanting you. And that's it. Very, very easy to play. Now the chorus is slightly different, but it does incorporate the same chords. So watch the video a couple of times and you'll get her down. It's very, very easy to play. Okay, so you know the routine. We're going to mic it up. I'm going to use a great backbeat from my beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice those chords a few times. Be ready to join me.
Sugar, honey, honey, you are my candy girl, got me wanting you. Honey, sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, got me wanting you. I just can't believe the loveliness of loving you. I just can't believe it's true. I just can't believe the warm true love that's feeling too. I just can't believe it's true. Sugar, honey, honey, you are my candy girl, got me wanting you. Honey, sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, got me wanting you. When I kissed you, girl, I knew how sweet your kiss could be, knew how sweet your kiss could be. Like the summer sunshine, pour your sweetness over me, pour your sweetness over me. Sugar, pour a little sugar on it, honey, pour a little sugar on it, baby. I'm gonna make your life so sweet, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sugar, honey, honey, you are my candy girl, you got me wanting you. honey. Ah, sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl. You got me wanting you.
And there you have it, Sugar Sugar, performed by the virtual band Thearchies, written by Andy Kim and Jeff Barry. It's a great song. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Haas. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.